Hi, this is how to do the French knot. After pulling up your thread, you're going to wrap the thread around your needle and put it back inside the hole. This one I'm just doing 2 wraps to show you what a small French knot would look like. And you're going to want to hold the thread a little tight so that it makes a clean knot. If your thread is too long or if you pull it through too fast, your thread might tangle up. So you just want to take your time and pull the thread through. The second one is going to be wrapped 3 times. So you're going to wrap around 1, 2, 3, and put it back inside the hole and pull it all the way through. The last French knot, I'm going to make it a little bigger and wrap it around 4 times. The amount of wraps is going to change how big or small the French knot will turn out to be. And there you go, the French knot.